Decided to show everyone how I make my fried chicken. So here we got a batch already going. You can see I've got chicken in the wet mixture, which is buttermilk and egg blended together. You know, just mix it with a whisk. Over here I've got my dry mixture. It's flour, salt, pepper, white pepper, celery salt. And what you do is you're just going to take this and put it in the dry batter and then put it in here. But you got to turn this frequently, otherwise you're going to burn it. So keep it turning. Just in a shallow pan, about halfway with oil. You can see what my setting on that is. I'm pretty low on the setting. That's down around 3. And it takes about 20 to 25 minutes for that to cook fully. Alright, so I'll just show you how I do this. Just going to grab a piece of chicken here, make sure it's good and coated, drop it in here, then I'm going to shake it. So it's nicely coated. Shake a little more, get a little more on there. I want to make sure we're well battered. And that's it. As soon as the oil's ready, I'll drop that in. And it'll be one of this. Ta-da! Enjoying some fried chicken.